Researchers say in the next 50 years, the demand for food will be greater than it has ever been in the past centuries. The efficiencies and increased productivity necessary to meet these agricultural challenges cannot be achieved without a renewed focus on research. This calls for more funds with prudent management practices, all with the aim of promoting innovation and productivity. The Ministry of Food and Agriculture is of the view that government alone can hardly achieve this. Hence, its move to join hands with Everserve Research Consult in Accra. The collaboration will help the sector ministry to scale up research into several areas, including soil and fertilizers. Other areas to be looked at are the safeguarding of interest of farmers against fertilizer nutrient deficiencies, mislabeling, protect the environment from heavy metal and other soil contaminants. Everserve Research Consult also provides services in environmental research and assessment, providing monitoring and advisory services in the areas of air quality, industrial stock emission, water quality, offshore studies, water quality profile of mined pit, among others. The director of the center, Emmanuel Amti, said the center will improve food production chain in the country.
The company's vision of becoming the #1 choice for environmental research and consulting firm in Africa is systematically being realized due in great part to the corporate commitment, innovative business model, professional and quality services.
The acting director of Chemical Control and Management Center at the Environmental Protection Agency, Dr. Sam Idukumi, lauded the initiative and said the EPA will leverage on expertise of the center to control environmental pollution in Ghana.
The success of the effective implementation of our regulations, however, require high-level scientific investigations and involvement. State-of-the-art laboratories are needed to assist in such investigations, to collect baseline data, as well as monitor the environment.
The Minister for Food and Agriculture, Clement Kofi Humado, said the government will continue to collaborate with the private sector to set up such institutions to help the agri sector.
While the government is working hard to develop the agricultural sector, it cannot do so alone without the active involvement of the private sector. The private sector brings capital, brings technical and organizational know-how to coordinate the various actors along the agricultural value chain and link smallholder farmers to markets.
Directors of Everserve say with the laboratory, they are better placed to help Ghana reduce the high food import bill, which stood at $1.5 billion in 2013 through qualitative research.